At 11, closing a loophole. Pet owners in one local city may soon need to worry about how many dogs or cats they own if city officials have their way. It comes just months after more than a dozen pit bulls were left outside in the freezing cold. Eyewitness News reporter Alex DePrado is live from the mobile newsroom tonight with more on what he's learned.
Well, Susan, the limit would be 3 dogs or cats, no matter if they live inside or out. These are just some of the 15 pit bulls found chained in the woods off Tollgate Road in Warwick in December. And soon it may be illegal to own more than 3 dogs or cats in Warwick. Right now there's a loophole in the law that allows people to keep more than 3 animals as long as they live outside.
There's a legal interpretation of that as to whether or not that would include all of the property that goes along with the home.
But if a Warwick councilman has his way, the limit would be 3 dogs or cats, no matter if they live inside or outside. Mayor Scott Avedijan tells us he supports the change.
So instead of saying, well, you know, there are X number of animals in this house and X number in this shed and this X number on this property, it would all be considered one.
We found Chris Porter walking his dog in Patuxent Village.
Good limit. There's a lot of people that don't have a lot of room, that don't take care of their dogs.
People who own a kennel or have a breeder's license would be allowed to have more than 3 animals. Avedijan says a change would help prevent abuse.
Especially in some cases where we have people who have chained animals outside. Obviously we can't use that ordinance to affect some kind of change there.
Of course, the city council would all have to approve this plan. Right now it's just a proposal. And that man, in case you're wondering, who was charged back in December, he was facing charges of providing inadequate shelter. We're live tonight with our mobile newsroom. I'm Alex DePrado, Eyewitness News.